Konnichiwa, little explorers! Welcome to Hikazoo! Yay!
High in a warm little treehouse lived Benny the bear. Benny had soft brown fur, round ears, and a gentle heart. One morning, he woke to taps on the roof. Tip, tap, tip, tap. He looked out. The sky was gray, the leaves were wet, and puddles dotted the path. Benny hugged his blanket and whispered, "I don't like rainy days." To Benny, rain felt cold and gloomy. It meant no playing, no exploring, no fun. He watched one drop slide down the glass. "Oh, rain," he sighed. "Why did you come today?" Just then, a soft knock came at the door. It was Ruby Rabbit in her blue rain hat. "Good morning, Benny," said Ruby. "Would you like to come outside?" Behind her stood Doodle Duck, smiling under a green umbrella. "The rain is gentle today. Come see." Benny peeked out. The forest smelled fresh and the grass looked bright, but he still felt unsure. "What if I get wet?" he asked. Ruby smiled. "Wear your yellow raincoat." Doodle nodded. "And your boots." So Benny took a slow breath, put on his raincoat and boots, and followed them outside. At first, he walked carefully, plip, plop, plip, plop. The rain touched his hood like tiny friendly fingers. Ruby hopped into a puddle. Splash! Doodle waddled in after her. Splish, splash! Benny blinked. That did look fun. He tapped the puddle with one boot. Splosh! Then again. Splish, splosh! Benny giggled. "I made a puddle sound!" The friends walked deeper into the forest, listening to raindrops sing on leaves. Tip-tap, tippy-tap. They saw raindrops sparkle on flowers like tiny jewels. Benny smiled. The rain was not so gloomy anymore. Ruby pointed to the trees. "Rain gives the forest a drink." Doodle pointed to the stream. "Rain helps rivers flow." Benny looked at the flowers, trees, and puddles. "Rain helps things grow," he said softly. Soon the rain softened. The clouds opened and warm sunlight peeked through. A rainbow appeared over the forest. Red, orange, yellow, green, blue, and purple glowed across the sky. Benny's eyes grew wide. "The rain made a rainbow," he whispered. Ruby, Doodle, and Benny watched the forest sparkle. Benny felt calm, brave, and happy. That evening, Benny shared hot soup with his friends and wrapped himself in a blanket. Outside, the gentle rain began again. Tip, tap, tip, tap. This time, Benny smiled. "I still like sunny days, but rainy days can be beautiful too. Sometimes the things we don't like can become something beautiful." Good night, rain. Good night, forest. Good night, Benny.